ko. Gre-record ko.
Is it a girl?
Okay. Close your eyes.
In 3 seconds.
Yeah! Boy or girl?
1.
Wait lang.
Yan na ba?
Oh my God.
2! Oh my God! Don't open your eyes!
Still close your eyes.
Wait lang! Wait lang!
Like this.
Ate,
They
di ba?
don't know. They don't know. It's a surprise.
It's a surprise!
Wait, picturean niyo muna.
Picture.
Naka-record ako.
Extra ano.
Naka-record
din ako.
Chibi, picture mo sandali. Picture mo muna. Hold on. Hold on. Wait lang. Don't peek.
Oh, wait. Hindi pangit sa...
Ate, gamitin mo yung isang kamay pa ngayon.
Wait lang. Don't look.
Ate, gamitin mo yung isang kamay. Yan. Tapos ito, yung isa pang hawak ko. Ito. Ito yung pang hawak ko.
Yan. I-wide mo ha. I-wide mo pa. Yan. Ganyan. Okay.
Ay, sir.
Baka makikita. Nakikita mo? Wag mo munang tingnan. Wait lang. Nakikita mo?
Wait.
In the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Go!
It's a girl!
Ikot ako. Kayo nagalaw. It's a girl. Kayo nagalaw. Baby girl.
Anong masasabi nyo, guys?
Panalo ako.
Oh, may nalaglag yun.
Oh,
It's a girl, guys. It's a girl.
Oh, you
Hello, baby.
congratulations!
It's a girl! She is wearing pink! She is wearing pink! It's a girl!
See, sabi ko. Totoo yung panaginip ko. It's a girl. Totoo yung panaginip ko. Panagipan mo din.
Oh, that's so cute!
Thank you. It's a girl.
Okay, it's a girl!